Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today let we discuss about design analysis and algorithm. The definitions of algorithm, a clear path to a solution. It is core of algorithm is simply a set of instructions that takes in a input and products of an output like a compass that helps negativity through the problem space. Creativity within constraints. Describing a rigid set of rules, implementing an algorithm often leaves ample room for the creative problems solving of computations, just like designing the perfect lighting setup. A folded masterpiece like origami, the process of designing algorithm, breaking down the components smaller, more managements, and the folding that into the complete solution. The properties of algorithm. Essentially, the better an algorithm is an minimizing resource usage, CPU, cycle management, etc., the less expensive it is to run to maintain. Occurrence. The algorithm should always provide the correct output for all valid inputs, just like playing a game for cards and trying to hit the bullseye. Readability. God algorithms are easy to understand the maintained by other developers, just like well writer illiterate. Performance analysis, estimating space complexity and time complexity of algorithms. Performance analysis is essential for ensuring to efficiency of algorithm. In these presentations, we will explore how to estimate an algorithm space and time complexities. Generally, there is always more than one way to solve a problem in computer science with different algorithms. Therefore, it is highly required to use a method to compare the solution in order to judge which one of more optimal. The method must be independent of the machine and its configurations, one which the algorithm is running on shows a direct correlations with the number of inputs can distinguish to algorithm clearly without ambiguity. There are two such methods used: time complexity and space complexity. What are space and time complexities? Space complexity, the amount of memory is algorithm required to run. Time complexity, the amount of time is algorithm takes to run. Measuring this complexity helps to understand how efficient an algorithm is and how it will perform in different situations. The importance of time and space complexity. Good algorithm design is all about balancing two priorities: the time it takes for your code to run and the amount of memory it uses. By understanding time and space complexity, you can write code that is efficient, fast and scalable. Measuring time complexity, Big O notation. Definition: Big O notation is used to describe the upper bounds of algorithms time taken. Example: an algorithm that takes 4n plus 2 steps has been time complexity of O of n. Importance: understanding Big O notation makes it easily to compare and correct different algorithms. Measuring space complexity, memory usage and big notation. A big notation a big notations can also be used to describe the upper bound of memory and algorithm will used. Memory usage, like time complexity, space complexity can be measured by looking at algorithm memory usage. Example: an algorithm that used to the uh, array of size complexity of 0. Example of the time and space complexities. Time complexity: the burst of force solved as the massive can have a exponential time complexity. Space complexity: the program that uses the reversely functions calls a exploitation space complexity. Importance of understanding performance analysis. Optimizing code. By understanding has algorithm performance, we can optimize code to be a more efficient and faster. Real world applicability. The performance analysis is essential in real world synchronized where time to space are limited resources. Problem solving skills. Performance analysis is also critical of development problem solving skills as it provides from the framework for analyzing and optimizing solution. Conclusion Conclusion Takeaways: understanding space and the complexity to circular of optimizing code. Big O notation is a useful to the describing on algorithm performance. Performance analysis is important in real world problem solving skills. Final through by using to the concepts we will covered into the presentation, you will be able to the analyze to optimizing algorithm like a pro. Thank you.